as low as 8. I think they stopped that. I think it's 12 and up. 12 to 18. And it's boys, and they don't even take those severe behaviors, even though it's the same level facility as a level 12, both of them are. They've just not, they don't take kids that are going to be that disruptive. So like, whereas he would see some kid putting him in restraint fairly regularly, in the new place, they haven't had it restrained in 5 months. And the goal of the new place, they don't live in a dorm, they live in a house. He shares a bedroom in a regular looking house. It's still on the campus, but there's 6 kids in his house. They have a regular looking living room. They eat dinner at a kitchen table. A staff person comes in and prepares. So they're not going to a cafeteria. They're not, maybe at lunch they might. I don't know about that, but this is when they're in school. But it's the whole plan is about coming home. The whole plan is about working as a family. These boys are your brothers. You're working as a family. You're working out who gets to watch which TV show. You each get an hour choice or something like that. He loves it. We talked to him on Saturday morning. He called and he just said he just loves it. Loves it. And most of the boys in his home went home. Are you videotaping?